Hey, man, we got an RXV gas here. EZGO. I'm gonna start doing it. But the problem is, customer can drive it, let go of the gas. But actually, while it puts down the gas the whole time, it quits running. Could be a bad solenoid, could be a starter. It could be a bad mic switch in the floorboard. Let's go through the test and see what's going on with it. First thing we're going to do, like always, bolts DC. Get a voltmeter there. Black lead on main negative, red lead on the positive. Now I'm gonna hold the gas down. I'm just gonna get it to quit again. Keep hitting the gas. Right now the gas is down. All right, the gas is down. We have battery voltage here. Now on your solenoid, you got an orange red wire there. It comes from the pedal switch. Oh shoot, you can see right there. You have no voltage on the hot side of the solenoid. Now a lot of times people will hit the gas and think just because the solenoid don't click, the solenoid's bad. Well, it ain't bad. All right, make sure you have voltage here. So I'm missing my hot. Now look, now when I hit it, you can see there, when I hit it now, watch the hot come back. Nope. It's trying to reach some voltage. Right there. All right, you can see it whenever it gets voltage, the solenoid clicks. So what we're going to do, we're going to pull the carpet up here. It's got an accelerator pedal micro switch. Pretty much just like the electric RXV does, but it's a gas. So I'm gonna take me a T40. Pull up this bolt here. One bolt. And of course, we're gonna put it in plastic, strip it out. I'm try to back it out. And they don't realize that plastic, you can't tighten it up too much, you'll strip the plastic out. And then that's what happens there. So you have to remember, when you have plastic, man, you can't hammer it down or you're gonna strip. Now we're gonna pry up on it. All right, we got that up. Now what I'm gonna do, take rocker panel off. Pull out my rivets in the floorboard. Pull over the brake pedal, pull the rivets up here. Pull over the brake pedal. And pull over the gas pedal, like that. As you can see there, pull off my dust boot they put here to keep this back here. Look under there, there's your pedal switch. The pedal switch is right there. Now when you hit the gas, what it does is it clicks and unclicks. So I'm gonna take it. And you can see right, it's spinning over now. Now when you can see there, see it? See right there, see that? And I move the pedal switch, it cuts out. Look at it there. Let's see here, look, it's loose. The pedal switch is right there. You see the Allen wrench is holding on there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to get it out. I'm gonna undo it. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my Allen wrench bolts out there. All right, so I got my pedal switch up here. I mean, you can take your ohm meter, put on ohms, and if you look at your harness here, you're only running, let's see, using all 4 wires there. Actually using 1, 2, 3, 4 wires. So you can ohm it out, outside 2 and inside 2, it's only 4. You can ohm them out and see if it works and don't work. And when I say ohm it out, I mean this right here. Take your voltmeter. Ohms is the horseshoe looking thing here like this. That's the horseshoe there. Now I always put it on where it goes to my noise. So you just touch them together and you go to your noise. You hear that? So what I'm gonna do is take them, stick one tab, one inside one tab. And one inside the other, like that. And put it on the bottom of it. You need to make contact, like that. Now activate the switch in. It's kind of hard sometimes by itself, man. So I'm gonna put that in the first on the bottom. I'm going to hold the switch down with my hand. We're going to take it home and out. Put the voltmeter ohms. Then I'm going to activate the switch. I'm going to put one tab on one. I'm pushing it down my meter. One tab on one, and the other end on the other tab. I get it to read, kind of aggravating, man. And you can see it ain't, that one there ain't zeroing out. No, that is it. Now you can see it there, you can hear it. And what I'm doing, I'm taking it and just pressing this in and out like this. And it shows it's working. But there it goes, hit quit. It's got a sweet spot in it. So that shows a bad switch. But all right, man, I want to show you that, man. Stay tuned, man. I'll post some more.